Is 2021 your last chance to get rich with crypto? I would say yes and no, because what we're about to see is regulators coming into the crypto market. Okay, they're going to regulate it, they're going to make it safer for everybody, and you're going to see grandfathers, fathers, and all the older generation come into it because they're going to see it as a safe investment as more banks come on board. As we discussed in my previous video, the biggest bank in Australia is now offering cryptocurrency. You can buy cryptocurrency through a bank now. You just have to log on to your app. This is absolutely crazy. And also what we're seeing is a lot of more people are holding the asset now. I've done a lot of research into it, especially Bitcoin, and as we can see, they're not buying and selling, they're buying and holding. That's why we're seeing that 61,000 sort of benchmark, and now we're pushing above the 65, but we're just sort of sitting in between there. It's consolidating and it's stabilizing. So that is fantastic news. We're not going to see any more volatility, and without the volatility, you're not going to see the same gains as we did, for the last 15 years or 12 years or whatever it's been. So I would say that this final bull cycle that we're having, the race to 100 grand, would probably be the last chance we're all going to get of getting the huge gains, 10%, 20%, 30%. Okay, now I've put some money into Bitcoin and it's gone up 10% in the last few days. So it's just, you're not going to see those gains again. So I would say that 2021 is the last chance for you to get really wealthy off the coin. But by the way, this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion. I've been mining Bitcoin since 2012. I'm telling you this stuff so you don't make the same mistakes as I did. Look at the links in the bio, there are none, okay? I don't benefit from this video, I'm just informing you guys. Make sure you're buying the dip. Every time the market pulls back, buy the dip, okay? All the way up until the end of 2021. A lot of experts are saying that this bull cycle is going to go through from November, December and January, and then it's kind of going to level out. But I've seen 4 bull cycles, this being the 4th one, this being the last one. So yeah, if you've got a bit of money, it's up to you. It's not advice, but myself, what I'm doing, I'm investing very heavily in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now also, if you're trying to get rich off of Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're not going to do it with small amounts of money. You're going to need large amount of money to put into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's just say, for argument's sake, you bought 1 Bitcoin. Okay, you bought 1 Bitcoin, which is $61,000. Okay, and over the next 4 or 5 months, it actually goes to 100,000. Okay, well, you've only made about 40,000. What's that gonna do? You're gonna buy a car? You can't even buy a house with that. So, I mean, the only real way that you're gonna make a lot of money with Bitcoin is to buy 4 or 5 of them. But on the flip side, there are altcoins. Okay, but altcoins very similar to going to the casino and putting your money on red or black, because we do not know the future of these coins. Back in 2017 when I was investing, there were so many coins, IOTA, NEM, the Civic, the list goes on, and those coins are not even in the picture anymore. Okay, so you need to be very careful with altcoins because they can shoot right up, and then they can obviously go back down and level out, and you're going to lose 50% of your money, and you're going to be left holding the bag for literally years, just waiting for something to happen. And also, guys, none of this Bitcoin, Ethereum, none of that is guaranteed. Okay, there's still a 5% chance or a 3% chance that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not going to be the final players in this game. A new technology might come out that's better than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then it might overtake it in a couple of weeks. We just don't know. I mean, look at Solana. I'd never seen or heard about Solana. I think it's number 4 or 5, and everybody's saying that it's got more utility, it's safer, it's better than Ethereum. I need to read the white paper to Solana. I haven't done that yet, but I will get into that. But remember, look back at the past. Bitcoin has been around for years. okay? And now the institutions, banks, the pension funds, they're all coming in. And this isn't meant to be a negative video. This needs to be a positive video, because we've all been waiting for this chance. This is the chance to put the money in the retail investors' hands. Retail investors being us, small guys, little guys, okay? Not the bankers, the institutions, and the 1%. It's for us. It's decentralized. We can send each other money. We can invest in this before the big institutions can invest in it.